100 small phrasal verbs. Ask out, invite on a date. Back up, support. Blow up, explode. Break down, stop working. Break up, end a relationship. Bring up, raise a topic. Call off, cancel. Calm down, relax. Carry on, continue. Check in, register, hotel or airport. Check out, leave hotel or look at. Clean up, tidy. Come back, return. Come in, enter. Come on, hurry or encourage. Come over, visit. Cut off, disconnect. Cut out, remove. Do over, repeat. Dress up, wear nice clothes. Drop by, visit quickly. Drop off, deliver or fall asleep. Eat out, dine at restaurant. Figure out, solve, understand. Fill in, complete form. Fill up, make full. Find out, discover. Get along, be friendly. Get away, escape or holiday. Get back, return. Get in, enter vehicle. Get off, leave vehicle. Get on, board vehicle. Get out, exit. Get over, recover. Get up, wake, rise. Give back, return something. Give in, surrender. Give up, quit. Go ahead, proceed. Go away, leave. Go back, return. Go out, leave home. Go over, review. Grow up, become adult. Hang on, wait. Hang out, spend time. Hang up, end call. Hold on, wait briefly. Hold up, delay. Keep on, continue. Keep up, maintain pace. Kick off, begin. Let down, disappoint. Log in, access account. Log out, exit account. Look after, take care of. Look around, explore. Look at, watch. Look back, remember. Look for, search. Look forward, await eagerly. Look out, be careful. Look up, find information. Make up, invent or reconcile. Mix up, confuse. Move in, start living. Move out, leave home. Pass away, die. Pass out, faint or distribute. Pay back, return money. Pick out, choose. Pick up, collect or learn. Point out, highlight. Put away, store. Put off, postpone. Put on, wear. Put out, extinguish. Put up, provide lodging. Run away, escape. Run into, meet by chance. Run out, finish supply. Set off, begin journey. Set up, arrange. Show off, brag. Show up, appear. Shut down, close. Sit down, take a seat. Stand by, support or wait. Stand out, be noticeable. Stand up, rise. Take after, resemble. Take away, remove. Take back, return item. Take off, remove clothes or plain leaves. Take on, accept challenge. Take over, control. Take up, start a hobby. Turn around, change direction. Turn off, stop device or repulse. Turn on, start device. Turn up, increase volume or appear.